So to just briefly explain, a sales funnel is what we used to call a customer journey. It's the stages that a customer goes through when they first learn about you to becoming a paying customer. So in the first step, we need to understand the different stages of a sales funnel. So at the top, we have awareness. This is where the customer learns all about you, your product or service. The next one is interest. So this is where the customer might follow you on social media or come through your door. The decision process is next, and this is where we need to nurture them in towards making a purchase. And the last stage is the action, where they do purchase from you. So there are 4 key points that we need to look at when we're setting up our sales funnel. First of all, you need to know who your key audience is. The next step is to create the valuable content. So at different stages of the funnel, you need different sorts of content. The next step is to design your landing page. Now we call it a landing page because it's where the customer lands on when they come to visit you. The final step is an email campaign. Once they've signed up for your freebie, you can send them emails to convince them that they should buy from you, as well as personalized emails and automating follow-ups. You do need to constantly refine your funnel. As much as I would love to say that this is passive income and you can leave it, constantly checking it and improving it and updating it is the best way to keep the funnel actively working for you. If you'd like to, I have a free resource which you can download, which is all about how to plan your ideal funnel and make sure that it actually converts. If you've got any questions or comments, please drop them in the box below and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.